Hello, this video is for the usage of Dropbox. So what you want to do is, or what I will be doing, is going to Dropbox. Right up here, Dropbox.com, and if I need to create a new folder, next, invite, and put a message. This is what's going to go to your email address. And share. Now this is going to generate a email. So you're going to need to click on the email that's sent to you, and then you'll need to sign up. And what that will look like is you'll be sent to something like this, and you'll need to create an account with the email that I've sent to you. So from there, what will happen is that it will ask you to download, go through a few steps, and then you'll have it on your computer. And down in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, there's going to be a little icon that looks like this right here. And so what you'll do is you'll just go to your Dropbox folder, and depending, you'll just go to, and this is inside of here, you'll only have one folder. Inside of here is where you can start creating folders. So up here is new folder, and say we want a images folder, and say we want a text, and maybe we want to extras. It's just an idea. So up here, if you want to go back a step, you can go back here. So inside of here, let's do about. And since we're just doing this, we can just copy those, and we can put those in here. Since they're blank, it just gives us the folders for it. So we can go back here, we can go new folder, services, and we can paste that in there too. These are just blank folders. This is where you put any extras, this is where you put your images, this is where you put your text. So that's really all that you need to do for here. So basically, if you wanted to go to, say you have some information on your computer that you want to put in here, what you would do is you go to wherever images or anything is, and say I want to put this green flare. This is one of my images for the home page. So I go and get it from here, copy it from here. That's Control C. And then here's my Dropbox right here. And what you can do is then you just go to home. We got our images here. Put that in there, and now you will also be able to see that along with me. So we'll just delete this, and now removing that will remove it from everywhere. So this is the same thing for, I've already set up some pages in here, services, images, extras, anything that you want extra done on that page. So we can go back here. We'll do the same thing here. As far as for gallery, we can do something like location, and location 2. Let's rename this to images so we know. Now you can rename these, so by right clicking here you can just go and rename this to, say for instance, Cisco Grove images. Or let's do this, let's rename this to Cisco Grove images and text. If you have any text or explanation of the images, just let me know. And same idea here, you can just go from your computer wherever you're storing your information and say we want a glow ball or whatever we want here. We'll just go copy that, Control C, go back to the Dropbox. This is our shared folder. Cisco Grove images, put it in there, or shared. As soon as it's check marked, that means that both of us can see it. So we could go back here, or back to gallery, and we could rename this to Tahoe City, and we can just copy these since they're nothing's in those folders right now. If there's something in them, we would not want to be doing that. But yeah, that should kind of get this stuff organized. So you can just do the same thing here. A lot of this text stuff I've already done, but if you have anything extra, feel free to do that and put it in there, and I can add that in there. So And if you have any other new folders, so you'll be in Dropbox inside of our shared folder. If you have any new pages or some that I haven't put in here because I haven't put everything in, you can just do a new folder and you can name it whatever you would like, you know, recent projects. Maybe this would be for the home page. So you might want to put some images and some text on projects that you've done recently. Just an idea. But yeah, so once you're done, this is all green. That means that I've received it and I can work on it from there. But if you are needing to get to this from your home screen here, down in the Start menu, down the bottom left, you go to Computer, and then you go to your Dropbox icon. So now you can go to whichever one you need. And we've got our information in here. So let me know if there's any other questions regarding this, or if you need some help setting it up. But otherwise, you should be good. Thanks.